Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify Cash App card for Apple Pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Apple Wallet or your wallet app, and simply what you need to do is just select the Cash App card. Now what you need to do once you select it is the first thing that you need to do is just delete the card that is connected in your Apple Wallet. Simply tap on this three dot icon, and once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing these three options, that is card number, card details and notifications. Simply tap on card details, and once you tap on card details, here you'll be seeing this all details, and on the bottom of the options you'll be seeing remove card. Simply tap on that remove card, and here tap on remove card once again, tap on remove once again, and then the card will be removed. Now what you need to do is to add your Cash App card from your Cash App. So simply open up your Cash App, and there on the bottom of the screen you'll be seeing your card icon. Simply tap on that card icon, and here what you need to do is just simply select the option that says add card to Apple Pay. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, all you gotta do is just simply select the device where you want to add your Cash App card to. So just select your device, and once you have selected your device, all you gotta do is just enter in your name and then your card number, and once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on next and then follow the process. And that's basically how to verify Cash App card for Apple Pay. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.